So I'm replacing the PCV tube on my 2017 Ford Transit. Just replaced it. It was really easy. I could just reach down here and grab this. There's a little clip on both ends. You can just reach down and change it with your hand. This part right here just stretches out and with your hand, and it pops right off. And this clip right here was a little trickier, but still no tools needed. You can replace it by hand. Took about 5 minutes to put the new one on. So yeah, I'll try to show you the back side there. This clip, you just reach down and push that clip back, and then the whole thing pops right off. It's really easy. And then to put it back on, you hear it click and it's on there. Minutes to put the new one on. There you can see the sensor for the crankcase pressure sensor is within the tube itself. So yeah, this is a pretty easy install. The mechanic wanted about 200 bucks, and I picked up this part for about $57 at the Ford Parts warehouse, and yeah, saved over $100. Hope this helps. And there you have it. No more check engine light. Good to go.